How to add zoom effect in Capcut. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can add zoom effect in Capcut. So let's dive in. First, open your Capcut app, and then you have to open any image in the project section of your Capcut app. And now once you're on the project, you simply have to click this image and select it. And now you have to just click this style option in this tab. Just click style, and now wait for it to load. And now just slide this top section over here to the left side, and then choose this motion option. Just stop when you see motion and select it. And in the motion section, you'll find this 3D zoom if you swipe a little bit, and then you have to click this 3D zoom over here. Or you can choose this 3D zoom as well, and wait for it to be applied to the project, and you can see the progress. Here you can see the style has been applied, and that's how you add zoom on Capcut. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.